New at 6, the families of 3 people killed during a fatal DUI accident are asking the court for justice.
Yeah, this after learning that the man accused of the crime was deported before he could stand trial in this country. And as
CBS News Miami's Tanya Francois discovered in court today, he's not the only person who's been prematurely deported. Tanya?
That's right, Lauren. The families of the 3 people killed have a legal right to know when the suspect is being released from custody. Instead, no one knew Erwin Zuniga was deported to Honduras until the judge was waiting for him to show up in a Miami-Dade courtroom for a hearing. What they got was a letter from the Miami-Dade Department of Corrections, who released him.
I'm the oldest sister of Paola Savillon. She was my baby sister. She was only 19 years old when she stopped living. She had dreams. She wanted to have a family. She loved kids. And all of that were taken away in one night, in 1 second.
The accident that killed Paola happened back in March of 2022. 5 people were in a car riding along West Flagler Street and 48th Avenue in Miami. When it crashed, 3 passengers died. The driver of the car, police say, was Erwin Zuniga, who was drunk and going twice the legal limit. This is video of him from 2 years ago when he appeared in court to face DUI manslaughter charges.
Good morning.
Sir, you were arrested for DUI manslaughter, 3 counts.
Today, Zuniga is no longer in Florida or even in the United States. He was deported back to Honduras at the direction of a Miami-Dade corrections officer who signed off on the release. Zuniga had not yet gone to trial, and no one was notified, not even the court nor the victims' families.
The next of kin has a right to be heard on release from custody. That didn't happen.
They were humans. There were 3 lives. They were not animals.
Attorneys for the Department of Corrections and Zuniga were in court saying the matter is under investigation.
And it's not avoidance. It is just that we are unable to provide the answers. At a later point, we will be able to give the court, the family will be able to provide more information. It's just not at this stage of the matter.
And ICE told me they have no plans to get Zuniga, saying their job is to ship illegal immigrants out, not bring them back.
He has to come back. He has to come back, and he has to pay for what he did.
Now, late this afternoon, we called Erwin Zuniga in Honduras and asked him if he planned on returning to face the charges, and he hung up on us. Also in court today, we learned of a second man, this guy, 19-year-old Cesar Julian Gonzalez Alfredo, who was also deported, also being sent back before he could stand trial. The state says in that case, Alvarado was still in the United States, so he is now on his way back to Miami. Alvarado is accused of sexual assault on a 12-year-old. In the newsroom, Tanya Francois, CBS News, Miami.